Abot na jud mi. Miss Pantalan. Mingaw ang nabal. It's so strange to be here. Welcome to Nabal. We are finally in Nabal. This is where I went to high school.
37 years old ako ngayon, Scar. Single mom ako at
We live from the other island, that one.
12 years
So I used to travel by boat from there, going here,
simula nang
so I can go to
at
school.
umuwi siya ng probinsya. Ianyo na niya, hindi ko na naramdaman. Kaya naman hindi na nakakabigla sa akin.
I wasn't tired. I was always excited.
Traveling by boat all day.
No, it's not every single day. I would travel every week and stay in my aunt here. I have an aunt that lives here in Nabal. So I stay there for the weekday. And then every weekend I would travel Saturday and Sunday. Going back there and then going back here. Yeah. Wow. What we did all day is just travel. We just traveled all day. That's it. The whole day. We haven't even reached home. And it's 6:30 p.m.
When we started going out at 5,
We started our voyage at 5
that's 13
o'clock
hours.
a.m. from Siquijor, and then from Siquijor we took ferry to Dumaguete. From Dumaguete we took a plane to Manila, and then from Manila we took another plane to Tacloban, and then from Tacloban we took a taxi from the airport going to the station of Vans, or like a bigger SUV car that you can ride, going down here. And then that took another 3 hours by land, traveling
It was 4 hours. We started at
an
2.
SUV van from Tacloban to Nabal, like 3 hours.
4.
Or
We started at 2.
3, 4, 5.
We can have
I think we arrived at 6. Oh my god. Between 3 to 4 hours traveled by land, and now we're waiting for my brother who's coming from the other island to catch us here. And then I think it's gonna take another an hour or 2 by boat going home, and then from there we need to take another habal going up to the village. Wow. Wow. Anyway, looks beautiful. Look at the sky. It's so blue. I look fake here. It's so blue. Nikolai! Nag-side eye siya sa akin, babe. Sabi niya. Nikolai! Lay! Ngari ba ya sa ako, Lay? Nabay ako'y kwarta. Ngari! Tagantang kwarta. Lay! Hindi niya talaga ako iniimik. Ay, anak ng ate ko. Anak ng ate ko, nasa tapat, ini-snap ako.
maybe like
And now we're having barbecue. They also have this Pantalan thing barbecue, same as with Siquijor, but this is a little bit dirtier because there's already like a swamp of water in that area. Like I can't even zoom this.
gonna get back home. Same thing.
We will be going back home, the same thing, same travel.
No, oh my god.
So that's 2 plane, 2 travel by air, 3 travel by land, 1 travel by boat.
Wait, so when we're there, we have to take a thingy to go to the one where all the boats are, right? And then we take a boat to go here, and then from here we take the van. And then
From the van, we take a taxi
we go into the
to the
airport.
airport, and then the airplane to Manila, airplane to
Wait, does it go to Manila or to
Dubai.
Tacloban?
Tacloban to Manila.
So that's one plane, and then Manila to Hong Kong or Manila to Dubai.
Manila to Hong Kong, and then Hong Kong
That's
to...
2 planes, Mom!
I feel like I don't wanna do a stopover in Hong Kong anymore. I want to change my itinerary.
Is it too late or no?
I don't know. I will check. Nikolai!
So, Mom, we have to do the boat, the van, and stuff all that a day before where?
Yeah, a day before 27.
Oh my gosh,
So we will check in probably in Manila on 26th.
I'm gonna cry.
Or either we'll be able to go to Tita Daira earlier, like on the 23rd. It depends. It's August 8 today. Is it full moon? From our travel from Dubai, from my travel from Georgia to Dubai to going here, I learned patience. Like, I become patient person.
Ayaw mo ito, imong kauban.
Malingke lang.
Ang namalingki. Okay, ada pa yung pang pablito ka rin.
Lai! Lai! Di man siya maminaw sa ako eh.
29.
The moon is so big. Alam mo ba, hindi na to nagzo-zoom. Like this one, it's not zooming anymore. When I press, it's a zoom, but instead it's going up and down. It's not zooming anymore. Salamat. Lai! Nara na Lai! Side ay siya, Ben. Get the rice. Na! May pasahero, dili si Manoy? Na, naunsa na. Dari kain ka muna. Di dyan siya maminaw sa aho, te. Side eye dyan ko niya. May Pepsi lay oh. Kaunsa? Lain di ay tuti na, unsa na? Bangin naman nakatulog si Manoy.
Bus man dito na. Bus man.
Kuba sa ato ah?
Tagal ang bus.
Ay, ang sabaw di ay. Nawa nahatag ang sabaw. Naunsa. Kaon na lay.
Hotdog kang baby.
Sarap ng sabaw.
Hindi man gusto lang.
May pasabaw pa oh.
Ang sa
Pak.
baka.
Sino ka dyan? Bakit eh?
Hanap ka baka diri ah.
Pila mang kilo te?
480 nya. Sobra mang kilo 513 ay hangyo. Di pa pa hangyo. Tarong 500.
You're so aggressive.
Hingi siya ng money, babe.
Gusto niya may pera sa lagi.
He wants to feel like a gangster. May oh.
Nato bitoy. Oh, si kuya naman da ito. Ano no? Tapos sa mo kamot. Bitoy.
Kamot, uy, uy.
Ika na sila dito nag-uling. Diretso na lang dire.
Pogi naman ang anak ni kuya, oh. Gwapo po.
Char, dapat pong atay.
Ayun, oh. May ilaw na pala si Manny. Why? Period. Yes, we are riding that one. This is it.
Mom, how?
Oh my God. Pak! Kulit ng bangka namin.
Tara natin. Ilaw na nga
Going!
Diha ni butang sa iyong tiilan. Bangin na mapasa anak.
Yay! So excited. I'm so excited for this trip.
Mom, can you turn it off?
Why?
What if you drop it? I'm scared.
We're going!
Gunit.
Pak! Ang ganda, oh. Mangingisda na po kami. Charik! Can't even see.
Lawan pa manay. Sige, sige.
Go!
Hayag mo da.
Ayag. Patay na ko da.
Kaya nga.
Ilan ang baboy ihas. Nahulog sa timbang.
Amoy province na talaga dito. Probinsya, bibi. Ba't parang lumiit yung kalsada, te?
Wala man ni agi eh.
Ah.
Wala mas kita si Bani. Kuril lang nga.
Okay.